This is Leo Gilling coming to you live from the city of Miramar Walk of Honor over here on 64th Avenue and Miramar Parkway. Today we are honoring two people from the community who has served their community very well over the years. The first name is Mr. Roland Abel and also Miss Ina McNeil. We also have Miss Anna
Good morning, everyone. We'll be starting momentarily. The scheduled agenda has the program to begin at 10 a.m. and it is approximately 9:49. I see we have a great attendance at this time, but just so that if individuals are planning to attend and come at 10 o'clock, we don't want to start and they miss, this wonderful occasion. So in about 10 minutes, we'll get started.
That was the mayor of Miramar as he just introduced us a little bit. And right now I have with me our city manager, honorable city manager here with us. His name is Vernon Hargray. Good morning, Mr. In the picture also is Commissioner Barbara Sharief. But we have with us right now the city manager of Miramar, Mr. Vernon Hargray. Mr. Hargray, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
You're live right here on Jamaicans.com, possibly 146,000 persons looking at you. And I want to get your thoughts this morning on what this event is all about.
Well, this event acknowledges the pioneers of Miramar. Sometimes we forget our history. Sometimes we forget about those who have made sacrifices. And this is something that we have to do. Never forget where we've come from and every person that has been a part of it. You're enjoying the labor of somebody else in here. At some point in time, you have to acknowledge that, It's just like the history of the Caribbean countries in here.
Yes.
Sometimes we forget that where we at in Miramar, we're benefiting for the sacrifices of all the Caribbean islands in here and their sacrifice for us to have what we have today in here. So we got to start thinking, going back and not letting history get away from us.
Yes.
I'm a history major.
Yes.
I went to school in Europe,
Yes.
all right, in Holland, all right?
Yes.
And the one thing they taught was European history. Well, when I came to the United States, they didn't talk about black history. They didn't talk about the trials and tribulations. So when we're here now in Miramar, we're looking at things different here. That is to make sure that we acknowledge all the pioneers.
All right, thank you very much. And so the pioneers today is there's Miss Ina McNeil, Roland Abel, and Anna Mikulich. And I'm sure you have had some experiences with these persons in the past.
Well, they've been gone a long time ago, but what's significant is that you got to think about we had a volunteer firefighter.
Yes.
And there was a young lady that was a part of that. We can't forget about the ladies that have made contributions to this city.
Absolutely.
A lot of times we talk about the males,
Yes.
but let's look about everybody in here that's made contributions,
Yes.
including the ladies.
Yes.
All right. They tease me now because I look like my mama here. All right. My mama told me that there's always support. All I know in my house in here, the ladies carried it.
Yes.
So we got to make sure that we acknowledge everybody.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, City Manager Vernon Hargray. I'm going to take it, and I'll talk to you later again, right? Okay. Thank you very much, sir. I'm not so sure who to take first. I'm carrying this coverage here on Jamaicans.com. Over about 140,000 people watching us right now. Okay, so I'll take each of you one at a time, right? So I'll take Commissioner or Mayor, right?
Dr. Barbara Sharief.
What is this event all about? Can you tell us a little bit in your words what this is all about and how does it impact Miramar?
So this event is about honoring those people in Miramar who've lived here for a long time, been pillars of the community, and have given something significant back. And so the honor wall is where we place people in so that we can commemorate them into the history of Miramar.
All right, great. Thank you. And same question to you, Mayor.
Yes, well, the Wall of Honor is one of those opportunities for the city of Miramar to recognize our residents and public servants of the city. In fact, it's probably one of our highest recognitions. And to be memorialized in eternity on this Wall of Honor just goes to show that the city of Miramar has wonderful residents and public servants that give so much to our community. and the least we can do is recognize them and honor their service and honor their commitment to the city of Miramar. So congratulations to our honorees today, and we know that in the future that there will be many more residents that will fill their shoes and be recognized as well.
Thank you very much, both of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So we have Pastor. Tell us a little bit about what do you know about these two persons who have been memorialized today, or three people.
Well, I know about Roland Abel, who's been a great leader, servant in our church for a long time. And I've always admired his interest in every part of human life, and especially the life of the church and and that extends to the life of the city.
Yes.
Because the church is supposed to care for everybody. And so this is his way of caring. We care both from the church and from his individual side, and I think he's a great example to everybody, and especially to young people.
Tell us the name of your church.
Miramar United Methodist Church.
Miramar United. And I think is Miss Ina a member of that church?
Ina McNeil is a member as well.
Right.
And she loves to lead people and encourage them along their track as they seek political office, and like to remind people that their life is a life of public service for everybody.
Great.
And she loves to go out and campaign and encourage people to vote.
All right.
And she's
yes.
spoken up many times about the privilege it is to vote.
That is exactly
We should
right.
always remember what Ina says about voting.
That's good. Good. Thank you very much, Pastor.
All right.
Hello. Does any one of you know Miss Ina McNeil or the?
Oh yeah, she goes to our church.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about Miss Ina?
Ina?
Yes.
Well, she's very involved in. Let's mention Bold Justice. All
Yes,
right?
she's Bold Justice.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
very
she's
involved
Miss
in
Bold Justice.
Yeah. Her sister brings her to church. She's blind. I know that.
Great.
She's been there a long time. Yeah.
What's your name?
Donna.
Donna. Nice to meet you, Donna.
Thank you.
And do you want to share something about Mr. Roland?
Mr. Roland and
Yes.
we're both in the choir together. He's
Okay.
my best friend, and we have a lot
So he's a
of
big
fun.
time singer, isn't he?
He's a big time singer. He's the male chorus in the choir.
And I think I saw him playing. What was that? A harmonica?
Harmonica.
Yes.
He plays the harmonica.
He's
He
great.
does well with the harmonica.
Yes.
When were you at our church?
I was there. There was a service. It may have been Christmas Eve. I think it may have been Christmas Eve. I was there.
Okay,
Yes.
The Christmas Eve service.
Yes.
Music director there.
Ah, okay. I just told Pastor I'll pop in one of these days. Thank you very much. And we have a member of the board of Broward Schools with us. Hi, Robin. How are you?
Great, how are you?
Tell us a little bit about what this event means to you.
It's really important because these individuals have helped change the city of Miramar, change
Yes.
the world.
Yes.
They're great assets to the community, and we don't recognize people enough, so I'm really happy to be here to watch this and be part of it.
Thank you very much for being here too. And in fact, I'll tell you this: you're being carried on Jamaicans.com about 140,000 people.
Okay.
Potential. and we have the daughter of Mr. Roland Abel, one of the recipients of this award today, and her name is Lizette.
Lizette Abel Ruffin, that's correct.
All right, so tell us about that. I want to know about that. Tell me, how rough has he been with on you?
Great is your dad?
No, he's great. I mean, honestly, I'm really proud of him and mom for this honor, but I'm not surprised. He's loved community work. He's loved this community all his life, from Jamaica to here. So it's great to see that he's being honored, and he's also encouraged us to give back, to always give back in any way that you can. So, it's just, I'm really, really, really proud of him, and trust me, that just as hard as he's on you, it's as hard as he's on me. As soft as he's on, he's as soft. He's an equal opportunity dad.
and then tell me a little bit about the harmonica, because I saw him playing the harmonica. Did he teach you how to play it?
Oh, he tried. But he tried to teach me, but my younger brother, he got the talent and he ran with it. So they both play the harmonica and other instruments, and we like to say that the rest of the family, we are a very dedicated audience.
And supporters.
Yes. So that's where we are. You can't have a show without an artist and an audience. So we are in the supporting role.
Thank you, Lizette. Thank you very
you.
much. So we have, in a few minutes, we'll be starting. We have several members of the community here and oh my gosh, the sun is coming out, so they're about to start right now. But I'm just giving you a picture of both Mr. Roland Abel. He's one of the recipients. And hello, Miss Norma. How are you? So could you tell me, there's about 140,000 persons watching you right now, okay?
Why?
On Jamaicans.com, right?
Is that right?
Yes. So tell us a little bit about Mr. Roland. Give me a little secret.
Mr. Roland, a little secret?
Yes, a little secret.
The secret from Mr. Roland, he just does not have time for anybody. He's so very busy and he is most deserving of this.
All right.
Right? But he's always there for our group.
Yes.
And guess what?
Yes.
In Jamaican patois,
Yes.
we bossy because a tree away from Miramar Park, they pan the wall.
Oh, okay, what you know about Miss Aina? Tell me.
Miss Aina? I can tell you a little thing.
Yes.
Is this campaign why? Because anyway you see one campaigning, the other one is campaigning.
Yes.
Okay. So we refer to her as that. You never see, where is she? There she is.
Yeah, man, you're right.
And that's her sister.
That's Mrs. Nina's sister, right?
Yes, yes,
Right.
yes.
Thank you, Miss Norma. What Miss Aina to know?
Okay. There is Miss Aina.
Where is she? Oh, there she is. Okay. Okay, so we're having taking you to. Okay, here we go. That's a nice picture of Miss Aina and Mr. Abel's daughter Lisette and Mrs. Abel with you. This way. Really nice. This is a very proud moment for people from the Caribbean.
Hey, hold on. Hold the camera. This has to be taken a picture. Because we have to have it on record.
Okay, there's a lady that I need to find. Her name is.
She'll be flirting.
Can I get you on camera? Because there's about. You look good. Don't worry about it. You look sweet. So I know that we've sat in board meetings where we nominated these persons for this award. What does this mean for you?
For us, it's a complete honor because these are individuals that have contributed to the department, to the city, and we want to be able to have an avenue to honor them and to bring recognition to them. So we're very grateful to them.
Tell us what your name is and your role.
I'm Liz Valera, and I'm the Director of Parks and Recreation.
Yes.
It's honored to have this wall in one of our parks in Progress
It
Park.
is really a nice thing, right?
It's awesome.
Do you know any secret about Mr. Roland Abel or Miss
Just
Anna?
that they have the biggest hearts ever. And I wish I would have met Miss Anna, but I didn't have that opportunity.
Right, we didn't. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Thank you very much. Yes, all right. Have a nice day. You know, I'm gonna let me go to some of the police officers. We have Commissioner Maxwell taking pictures. Okay. Mark, hello, how are you?
How you doing, sir?
I am Leo Gilling, and today I'm covering this event on Jamaicans.com. About 140,000 persons may be watching you at this time.
Oh my God!
But I want to know, what do you think of this event and of the people who are being honored today?
It's beautiful, especially the first firewoman volunteer for the city.
First fire.
Oh my God!
Tell us about that.
An honor,
yes. She's passed. She's gone, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
right. But it's nice to know that we had a lady. Oh my God! Really
hearing
nice.
the family story, and they've been Miramar residents up to today. It's amazing. That's the beauty of our city.
Yes.
To bring that out.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
And it's great to have the honor to be able to honor other persons who have been doing well in the community.
That's why I'm here.
Yes.
She opened the door for me.
Right.
Even though she was a female, she opened the door for me.
That's exactly right. Tell us your name and your rank and your.
Orlando Segura, Captain Training.
Captain. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And then we have several other firefighters here. And we also look at who we have here. We have Judge Norman Hemmings. No, hey, listen, we're being broadcasting right now on Jamaicans.com, the biggest Jamaican online magazine, right? So you are live, 140,000 people watching.
Excellent.
So
if that's the case, I'll scoot a little bit.
Oh, there you go. I'll come back to you.
Jamaican.
You are. It's okay. It's okay. It's
I'm just
okay.
joking,
It's okay.
Right.
All right. So tell us a little bit about why you think this is an important day here.
Oh, this is an incredible event because it honors some Miramar residents who have been incredible in terms of volunteering their time selflessly on behalf of this city. And this is a very young city. So for these people to have volunteered their time for over a decade in the interest of the city is completely amazing. It's important that I'm here today.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Brilliant.
And I want to thank each of you. I'm going to catch one more person or two. Hey, hello, Vanessa. How are you?
I am well.
Oh, Vanessa, one of the former candidate for commissioner in the city of Miramar. I'm capturing. What does this day mean to you?
A lot. So it's awesome to know that we have community leaders who have done so much that we can pour back into them through our community. So for the pioneers and the warriors in our community, like Mr. Abel and Miss Ina, who are doing so much in our community.
Welcome everybody
it's
to
an
this
awesome
wonderful
opportunity to know that
Wall
we
of
can
Honor.
pour back into them
I'm
at the Wall of
Assistant
Honor.
Director
Thank you
of
very
Public
much.
Works.
Okay, have a nice
I
day.
would like to
Okay.
introduce some very
We're going to take you
important
to.
people here. First, our City Manager, Vernon Hargray. Our Assistant City Manager, Michael Moore. And of course, my lovely Director, Elizabeth Valera. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic which stands one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Have a seat. And it's my honor to call up our mayor, Wayne Messam. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry, Mr. Mayor. Like I don't know his name.
Thank you so much, Mr. Coste. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Mayor Wayne Messam, and it's one of our greatest opportunities in the city of Miramar when we're able to induct new inductees to our Wall of Honor. And I wanted to just to say thank you for taking the time out. You know, it's not just the family members that come to support the inductees, but when you see other individuals from the community that also come out to support an event like this, it just goes to show how much of an impact our inductees have given to our community. Before we go into our program, I would like to recognize members of the Miramar City Commission who are present. And when I recognize you, if you would come to the podium to join me. First, Commissioner Darlene Riggs and Commissioner Maxwell Chambers. Together as a commission, you know, we work hard to provide the policy directive for our city administration to be able to provide the civil services for the community. And together, without the commission, the direction of the city can't move forward. It can't move backwards. It can't move sideways. So you need a commission to work together on behalf of the residents to be able to move a city forward. So at this time, I'd like to provide an opportunity for my colleagues to give brief greetings to everyone who's here this morning.
Good morning, everyone.
So I have to
so proud
discontinue this coverage right now because we're going into the official ceremony, but please join me again soon. Thank you very much for joining this ceremony. It's a big day for Jamaica and Jamaicans, to have members of the community in Miramar to be uplifted, to be honored, to be memorialized the way that it has been. Thank you very much for joining. Leo Gilling, Jamaicans.com. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.